Wow, what a few years it has been. The Hidden Woodsman has come out of the pandemic stronger than ever. Thank you for everyone who has supported me through these last few years. The business has grown. Without you guys, I could not have done this. What you're about to see is the newest designs for 2022 and beyond. The Deepwoods 35-liter rucksack is designed after a British Bergen. This pack is 35 liters total volume. There is an inside frame sheet to keep it stiff and versatile while carrying. The two main pockets on the outside give you plenty of room to store gear, food, or other things you might need camping. The axe sleeve on the back can fit an axe of up to 21 inches. Under the lid, there is a Postpost pouch to carry your essential items. This rucksack also has a removable waist strap to help bear the load onto your hips. The Deepwoods 35-liter rucksack is the apex of all the Hidden Woodsman designs. The French trade satchel is a satchel based off a 17th century long hunter design. Bags like this would be commonly used in the American frontier days. The men of the Lewis and Clark expedition would be carrying a bag similar to this. Sometimes called the ditty bag, the Postpost pouch contains the vital bits and pieces of equipment which makes life possible in the woods. The Postpost pouch makes it easy to carry your small items to organize and store inside your backpack. Everything is contained in one pouch. There's plenty of space for first aid kits, sharpening stones, rope, small amounts of food, drink kits. Whatever you can fit in this bag, you can carry with you inside your backpack. The Firecraft pouch is a simple, squared pouch. This pouch is extremely rugged and durable. The water resistance makes it perfect for keeping your fire-starting materials. You can easily fit tinder, a lighter, matches, pine sap, anything you need to start a campfire. There are many colors available. Check out the website for all available colors. The survival kit is brand new for 2022. The PALS webbing on the back will fit onto any MOLLE platform. These kits fit perfectly to the side of the day ruck. Inside, you can find a zippered pocket and an open pocket. There is also elastic bands to store items. This is the perfect little kit for any everyday carry. They also can attach to your plate carrier, the side of your backpack, or used as a pouch within itself. The Hidden Woodsman hats are made in New Jersey, USA. Each one has a Velcro closure in the back and is made with high-grade nylon cotton fabric. There is a custom logo on the front and American flag tab on the back. Just like all of our other gear, the Hidden Woodsman hats are made right here in the United States of America. That was the lineup for 2022. I want to give a shout out to our local partners and businesses that has helped me along the way. There are so many people who are involved in this other than just me, people that have helped me learn to sew better, learn business better. Without you, I could have never done this. If you're new to Hidden Woodsman, check us out on social media, Instagram, which I post daily, Facebook, which I post daily. It's been an honor and a blessing to serve you for the last 10 years. I'm looking forward to many more years to come. Thank you for all your support.